Hello to all of STP Trading Brokers followers. Today we'll be talking about how to do the identity authentication on the site. Go to stptrading.io. Click on Login on the upside of the site. Insert the email and password that you registered your account by and click on Enter. Select Identity Authentication from the taskbar on the right. Upload the required certificates here. In the first section, upload a utility bill that includes your address. Upload an ID card in the second section. Finally, click on Save to redirect to another page. You can see the pending certificates on this page. It takes approximately 1 hour for your certificates to get verified and turns into green. Thank you for watching this video.